start off, you are going to cut up your worms into 4 pieces. A sharp knife or scissors worked best. And then you have 3 tablespoons of baking soda into about a cup of water.
Warm water.
Warm water.
Because it helps it dissolve a little bit. And when you stir it, there can still be a little bit of stuff on the bottom. That's okay.
And then these pieces of worms are going to go into the cups. And they are going to sit for about 15 minutes.
Now that your gummies have sat for 15 minutes, and you can see, they've gotten a little bit more slimy. They're a little bit more rubbery. We're gonna see if they will dance. Lindsay?
Okay.
Huh.
Well, something's happening.
Yeah, it's definitely foaming, but I don't see them dancing.
Well, we'll just put the rest in there.
Yeah. Oh no.
They're dancing.
They're dancing so
Make
much.
sure you have your paper towels handy.
They're dancing so much, it's making it overflow. No, really, I don't think they are dancing.
Yeah, they're not dancing. Something happened.
So, you go ahead and try the recipe out yourself and let us know if you guys have success or not. We left our gummy worms and came back. We put them in some vinegar and came back, and look, they're dancing. The one at the top, that yellow one, having a groovy time. So if you start this experiment and you find that your gummy worms don't seem to want to dance, just let them sit for a minute. Let all of the extra baking soda kind of work in the vinegar, and come back a couple minutes later and maybe they'll be dancing.